From email to smartphones, talking to people has never been easier than it is in the 21st century. And while it may seem like every messaging idea under the sun has been tried, there's still some room for experimentation. Polo offers quite a unique concept, combining the best of texting and video chats. The app lets you and your friends talk in video form without having to schedule blocks of time, and without limitations on video length either. However, as with any chat app, being able to delete a message you sent by accident is important, and that extends to video messages as well. Thankfully, this has been put into consideration, and Polo lets you delete video messages you've sent through the app. The steps for deleting content are the same for videos you've both sent and received. First, open the conversation that contains the video you wish to delete. Find the thumbnail of the video in question, tap and hold it, then select delete. Tap delete once again to confirm. The difference here is that when you delete a video you've sent, the video will be deleted from both sides of the conversation, while deleting a video you've received only removes it on your phone, not the other person's. Also, prior to deleting a video, remember that they cannot be recovered, so make sure this is one you want to delete, or maybe save it to your phone before you do so. If it is an entire conversation you're looking to delete, tap on the triple dotted menu icon next to the thread you'd like to remove and tap delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping delete again on the next page. Doing this doesn't delete the video chain on the recipient's end though, so if you want to remove their access to the videos you've sent, you should delete them individually prior to deleting the entire conversation. Of course, just like deleting videos that are worth keeping, sometimes you might want to keep a message prior to deleting it. To save videos, simply tap and hold the video and select Save. You can always save your own videos, but keep in mind that you may not be able to do this for videos from other users if they have their settings for this feature turned off. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering messaging and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.